Now your Power BI is desktop is installed and you are in a good shape to start with it. I'm considering you don't have any official email ID which you can utilize to sign in. So for that, without signing in, you just open Power BI desktop and you need to connect a data source. Without data source, you cannot do anything in Power BI. So without wasting time, let's jump in and see what are the things we can do. Hopefully my screen is visible and go to this search screen. Before going to search screen, let me do one thing. I have one tips database, which is a very common and a famous dataset available over internet. In description, I will add the link so that you can directly download this file from there. Now see, in this particular data set, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 columns are available. Total bill, it signifies the total bill amount. Most probably this is the data of a restaurant. And in this restaurant, 16.99, most probably it's in USD. It can be in Euro also. The tip amount, what they have given is 1.01 Euro or USD. The person who made the payment is a female. No smoker was there in that group. The day when they came, that is a Sunday, dinner or lunch or breakfast when they came, size, how many members were there on that team. So this is there in that particular data. Now, if I scroll all the way down, I see couple of data is there, and I cannot see apparently any null value over there. If it is there, then how will you handle, what are the things you need to consider? Those I will discuss in a separate video. As of now, just consider this data is there, but see the extension is tips.csv, means it's a comma separated value. If you want, what you can do, you can simply save the file as an Excel one. And let me do one thing. Let me save this in my desktop for the time being. Desktop tips dot, instead of CSV, let me save that as a Excel workbook. Done. The data is over. Now let me close that Excel file. So in search window, I will type Power BI desktop. So if I open that, this is ready now. I will click on blank report because here from very beginning I want to create a report. Fantastic. Now it is working for it, means that is creating. Now see on the right hand side there are three things you can see. One, filters, next visualizations, and the next one is data. So I'm coming to this. Before that, you see these are different tabs available, and clicking on each tab opens a ribbon in front of you. Perfect. So these are the different ribbons, yes, which we have to discuss one by one. As of now, in this particular video, my objective is very simple: how I can connect that Excel data with this Power BI report. So for that, this click get data option is available, and here if you click on this get data, it will open a dialog box to you. In that dialog box, what you can see, Excel workbook, text, CSV, XML, different kind of data sources are available over here, right? And see file, database, Microsoft Fabric, Azure, Power Platform, everything is there. And you can filter. So if you are looking for a file, yes, Excel workbook is the best option to connect with it. So click on that. Then it's very simple. You need to connect to the Excel file which you have. So let me connect this. Once you connect that, what will happen? Any data source, whenever you connect, it gives you two options. Let that option dialog box comes in, then I am showing you. Yes, it has read this tips.xlsx. It has got one what do you call worksheet on it, and see it has fetched the total data. Fantastic. Now see, there are two options, load and transform data. So what is the meaning of it? Load means straight away load whatever is there on that Excel file. And option two, transform the data. Transform the data means the data which you have, I will take it and then I will manipulate and create a separate model for it. Right. So as of now, I will do load data. So once I click on load data, what will happen in your Power BI report, that particular data set will be connected. It will take some time and it will create a schema and the data. Both will be created. Yes, it is done. Once it is done, what you can do, you can go here. See, we are here right now. It is showing the Power BI report screen. Here you can see the data view where the data is there. Here, if you click, you can see the exact schema what is available. And remaining two parts I'll be discussing in upcoming videos. So as of now, just if I go to this and this is the data I have, fantastic. And from a visualization, I just want to add a card to see how many data is there. So for that, there is a fantastic visualization called card. So let me take a card, and in card, I want number of total bills in this. So if I fetch that, it will show sum of total bills over here. Let me resize it. So now my first part data got connected and it has got the sum of all the values over here. I can delete and I can connect any other cards according to my choice. Here, if I want to connect how many total data is there, so I can say first day. First day is Friday. 4 days are there, so it is connecting 4 days, right? So this is how you need to work with it. Thank you.